music. Let's go.
Okay guys, you guys, welcome and welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, my name is Chinwe. I'm a mom of beautiful amazing four. I make video from United Kingdom. I have my recipes and our family lifestyle. So if you love what you see, please don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel. Turn on your bell notification. That way you get notified each time we upload new videos. To my returning subscribers, you know how we do it. Chop kiss. This kiss, Daroda. Chop kiss, guys. So it's Saturday night and I was trying to prep all the things that I'll be using for my cooking tomorrow. So that is what you saw me doing in my kitchen. So I am done now, and yeah, I want to go upstairs right now because we are going to have our online mass. So it's almost 9:30 now. So that is basically it. Yeah, I want to say something, guys. A lot of things are going on Whitey Street. I don't know what is really happening. It's like April Fool, and it started 1st April, exactly 1st April. So honestly, I am yet to understand what is going on, but my advice to all of us is we have to take it easy. We have to take it easy. Even me here, my heart is still pounding every day. It's just crazy what is going on in Whitey Street right now. But man, we have to slow down. Like everybody is like on high speed. We have to slow down, okay? So that is basically it, guys. Yeah, so I'm going to go up now, and tomorrow I'm going to continue from where I stopped, okay? See you tomorrow. Happy Easter.
Music. Let's go.
Christ is risen. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Okay, guys. Today is the D-Day. Today is Easter Sunday. We just finished our online mass, and you saw the chief priest sharing the communion. So that is how we do it here. For the past 1 year, we haven't been to church. That is exactly how we do it here. We connect to Leeds Cathedral, and we celebrate, and we don't mix anything. Okay, so that is how we do it. Honestly speaking, we are not missing going to church because we celebrate mass every Sunday here. So at this juncture, I'm gonna go to my office and start preparing the orishi of today. Okay, how is it going? How are you celebrating the Easter? I hope you are doing something different this time, because it's Easter. We have to change the way we cook our normal rice, right? To add more spices and fry more chicken. So that is what I'm going to do now. Exactly what I'm going to do now. Yesterday I prepped all the things that I will be using today, the chicken, the beef. So I'm going to go in there right now and start frying. So let's go.
Darkness music. Let's go. Okay, we are done. I am done. So I'm going to set the table and dress up. Onyabola, happy Easter. Happy yo. Asimono, happy Easter. Happy yo. Onyabola, happy Easter. Happy yo. Onyabola, happy Easter, happy yo. Onyabola, happy Easter, happy yo. Onyabola, happy Easter, happy yo. Asemono, happy Easter, happy yo. Onyabola, happy Easter, happy yo. Be happy wherever you are. So I'm going to set my dining and go dress up and start digging to this yumminess. All this yumminess to dig in. Today I will do maka watching weights. We are not watching weights today, so we're going to eat. And tomorrow. Even tomorrow. All right. Dinner is safe. Let's go. Darkness music. Huh? This food is delicious. Palatable.
Happy Easter,
Happy Easter, guys. Happy Easter, happy Easter, happy Easter.
Happy Easter, happy. Okay, guys, you are all welcome to our dining. Happy Easter to you all, okay?
Join us. I hope all of you have got something to, demolish as well today. It is Easter, and we wish you all a happy Easter. May the blessing of the Lord risen Jesus be with you all and your household. So from our family
to yours.
Time
to eat.
But
we have to pray.
Okay, yeah, it's true.
Alright.
In the name of the Father.
Okay, yeah.
Emmanuel will lead,
In the name of the Father,
Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Lord, we ask you to bless this food and your sweet bodies. Lord, very fallen and appreciated for everything. We are thank you, Lord, for everything in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Wow, me.
Wow, me.
Now I have to open this.
You can you do that?
I
know you want to drink more now after you want to drink it.
Ima, wait, so don't drink yet.
Don't drink yet, Ima. You have to eat.
I need to
Wait,
thank you.
so
Where is your cup? Is it this one?
Yeah. Where did you find it?
Tigre Manuel, eat there.
I'm gonna eat.
I love pepper. You like pepper? This is not pepper, it's fresh tomato.
Whoa. Look at this.
This is a big one.
No way! I have to drink more.
Why even half of it?
I broke the bottle.
We didn't eat half of it, right?
You didn't eat half of it. You didn't eat half of it. You know what that thing costed yesterday? I don't want to tell you, but I'm telling you about it's something that costs a lot of money. Eventually, you guys doesn't know what you know is balancing on the table. And that is what you're supposed to do. There is no way of emphasizing the word.
Keep.
Guys, we have eaten to our satisfaction, and some people are still eating. That is what usually some people normally do. They said they have finished eating. Once they are still on the table, they'll still be looking around. Any small thing that passes, they'll be TikToking it inside their mouth.
Like
that one you see at that end of that table, that side, she is good at that.
Yeah,
and I'm not surprised because it is it's something that the first person that normally does that in my family was my mom. She's good at eating for 3 hours.
Hey.
Like she will be eating at the point itself when her hand gets dry, she will just go and stop her hand inside the water and start eating again. So well, it is Easter, we are here enjoying ourselves, thanking God, and hoping to see another Easter. It is not yet over. Tomorrow is Wisdom's birthday. So there is a lot of things to eat. I don't know what we're going to do tomorrow. Is it a barbecue?
No, party jollof rice.
Another party jollof rice tomorrow.
No. Agidi.
You are getting my clothes.
Agidi. I'm not a big fan of agidi. Only the soup.
This time I'm not making the soup.
Oh yeah, she's using pepper soup. So you might like it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Agidi and corn dog.
Oh,
Which one is
corny
it?
dog.
I don't know what that is.
Which one is Agdi and condom?
No, agidi. Once we finish eating our agidi, we can go ahead and eat the
Oh, she's gonna say corn.
Not only condom.
No.
Condom is not in the history of our people. So condom is from China and Japan, all the rest of them. So you can't even think about it as a food in my house. We are going to eat something.
We eat corn dog as snacks. Then we're not fry, not the corn.
I know. We are going to see you guys again tomorrow. Is it going to be a continuation of this one tomorrow? No.
People can't wait too long. God, tomorrow's birthday, Wisdom's birthday should be a separate day.
It's almost my birthday.
May.
When is the end of?
Guys, too many days to celebrate in this house, eh?
Okay guys, happy Easter from my beautiful family from this end to your side, okay? Happy Easter. Happy Easter guys. Emmanuel. Come and sit down, let's close the video. Come. Let's end the video.
Alright, Ima.
Come and sit down, let's end the video, okay?
Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope
You liked it.
video.
Please give us a huge
If you like today's video, please give us a huge
thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't.
He's the Lord.
Okay? And subscribe. So we love you all as always. My returning subscribers, with this mouth to yummy with it. Okay guys, see you in our next video. Make sure to take care of yourself. Make sure to be happy. Okay? Be happy for more. Yes. If not for anybody,
Be happy
just
for
for more. For more. That I love you all as always, okay?
And always be
Positive.
Your motto.
My motto is positivity. Okay, you guys, see you in our next video. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Wisdom, that's overboard.